want to talk to you about using a glossary. Last week we talked about dictionary skills and we talked about entry words, and we also talked about words in ABC order in the dictionary. This is your phonics and language book, and at the back of it you have a glossary that looks like this. Now, a glossary is different from a dictionary because it tells you more information about what is in a book. For example, this glossary tells us more information about some of the animals and things and places that we have read about through the year during phonics and language class. It also is in ABC order, so all of the entries are in ABC order. As you can see on the first page of the glossary, the words on it begin with A. The words at the end of the glossary will be Z, and then all the other words will be somewhere in the middle depending on where they fall in ABC order. I hope you guys have fun working with your glossary and finding out some interesting information about the different things that we have learned and talked about this year in phonics and language. But really, that's all you need to know, whereas a dictionary is its own book that tells you information about words. A glossary is at the back of a book and it tells you information about things that are in the book that you read.